Welcome back guys, wish you very well. This is Gautam and you are on our channel Cooking with Sapna. So guys, today I'm going to show you recipe for ghee or clarified butter, a star ingredient in most of the Indian recipes. Used in most of the savories and dessert, ghee provides richness and authentic taste to the dishes. I'm going to show you this recipe in two ways, one from cream and one from butter. So for making ghee from butter, I'm going to take 1 kilograms of unsalted butter in a pot, and guys, we will simmer this butter on low heat and our ghee will be ready in next 25 to 30 minutes. And guys, remember, we don't have to stir it, it will be ready after 30 minutes on its own. And guys, some people try to stir ghee while in making, but in my experience there is no need for stirring and ghee becomes ready on its own. Ghee gives that authentic taste to the dishes and it has a nutty flavor. And guys, if you want to fry something and make it crispy, ghee would be the better choice instead of oil. So meanwhile this ghee is in making, let's start the second method with cream. We will take nearly 1 liters of double cream or full fat cream in a mixing bowl. And guys, just for your knowledge, cream I'm using is the same cream which we whip to make cream frosting for the cake. Now we will whip this cream to separate out the butter. So as you can see, our butter has separated and you can see separated water as well. What we'll do, we will wash this with 1 cup of chilled water. So chilled water washing will make the butter more thick and separate it well. Now what we will do, we will separate this butter from water. So here is our more of butter part. We are separating the buttermilk, you can see here, and we will collect it into other bowl, and we will use this butter for making ghee and discard the water part. And guys, if you find difficult by collecting it with hand, you can also use a thin strainer to separate out the butter. So our butter is ready by cream method. Let's check the ghee prepared directly by unsalted butter. So this is our clarified butter or ghee we are preparing directly from unsalted butter. As you can see, the froth has come on the surface and milk solids have separated. So it will take another 7 minutes where the milk solids will settle and our ghee will be ready. But I can smell that authentic nutty flavor coming out of ghee. So while this ghee is getting ready, let's prepare the ghee from the butter we have separated out from cream. So we will transfer the butter into a pot on low heat and we will simmer it in the same way, and it may take more time as compared to the ghee prepared directly from unsalted butter. It will take nearly 40 to 45 minutes. So as I said, we will cook it on simmer on low heat. So guys, we have to cook it for further 40 to 45 minutes in the same way, and our ghee prepared directly from unsalted butter is I think almost ready. Let's check it. So as you can see, froth has mostly settled and milk solid have settled down at the bottom of the pot, and here is our ghee prepared directly from unsalted butter is ready. So we will cool it down and we will strain it into a clean glass jar. So this is our ghee prepared from butter isolated from cream, and as you can see, the milk solids have started to separate, and it should take another 5 to 7 minutes to get it ready. As you can see, all the milk solids have settled down at the bottom of the pot and froth has starting to reside. So here our clarified butter prepared from the cream is ready. We will allow both of the ghee to cool down and then we will filter them. So here we are filtering the ghee prepared directly from unsalted butter. And guys, the milk solid that have separated at the bottom of the pot, it is actually khoya. So instead of throwing it, you can use it in parantha stuffing or use it in desserts. So from 1 kilograms of unsalted butter, we have prepared nearly 900 ml of ghee. So our ghee from unsalted butter is ready now. So let's strain ghee prepared from the cream. And here are ghee prepared from butter isolated from cream. Milk cream is getting filtered. So in this way both our ghee are ready, and using milk cream, nearly 1 liter of milk cream, we have prepared nearly 600 ml of ghee. Some of the tips for making ghee is always keep your heat on low and simmer the butter, and after 10 minutes you'll feel that a golden yellow liquid is formed with floating milk solids, but ghee is not ready at that instant. When the milk solids are properly settled, your ghee will be ready. And also for making ghee with cream, instead of using store-bought cream, you can always use the cream made after boiling the milk. You can stock it in the freezer for few days, and then when it is sufficient, you can make the ghee following the same procedure which we used for making with cream. So guys, do try this recipe and let us know how it turned out for you in the comment section. So guys, I hope you like our video. If you do, subscribe, like and share, and for more detailed recipe, do visit our website cookingwithsapna.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do press the bell icon for new video notifications. So guys, take care, stay safe, see you next time.